Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News. You know, as we progress through this month of May and we look forward to the summer, one of the great things that we've had the opportunity to do with our number of people that are kind enough to interview with us this early in the morning is talk about live performances, being able to be back on stage, being able to be back in front of the public. And that's where we're fortunate enough to be joined this morning by Emily Larson. Emily's the Interim General Director for Heartland Opera. Emily, I want to thank you so much for your time this morning. As far as performers at heart, and not only dealing with performers, but also setting up venues, setting up acts, setting up performances. How has this year been different compared to where you were at this point in time, this exact point in time last year?
Well, crazy enough, this point in time last year, everything was already shut down. But in the normal year, we are always booking performers coming in from across the country to participate in Heartland Opera's locally produced professional opera productions. But this year, we haven't done a lot of live events. We did some live caroling in December, which is a naturally socially distant musical performance. But we're very excited this year to be back giving a live performance in front of live audiences.
Well, let's talk about this performance you have coming up. Hits from opera and operetta. The impetus to put this together. What's the background? What's the idea? And how has it become so popular?
Absolutely. So Heartland has always done, small pop-ups at community festivals. And really, for this concert, we wanted to put together a really fun program with some famous pieces that people know, some wonderful pieces that they don't, really with the purpose of just bringing everyone together to enjoy each other's company in a live space. So we hope that everyone will really just enjoy themselves. This is going to be fun, entertaining music. We love performing in Joplin, in Neosho, and Carthage, and we have great supporters there, great organizations that are excited about us bringing some opera to town. So that's why we decided to go on a tour, go on a little 4-state tour with this work.
Emily, I tell you what, if you can do me a big favor, break down our dates and locations for everybody so we can make sure that we have that on our calendar.
Absolutely. The first performance is coming up Thursday evening. It's going to be at Third Thursday, and it's going to be actually in the Carmine's patio. So Carmine's Pizza downtown, it's going to be right in their patio. Friday night, we're headed down to Neosho. We'll be at Big Spring Park. And then on Sunday, we'll be in Carthage at Central Park, right downtown. And
so, Emily, I want to thank you and Heartland Opera for bringing live entertainment back to the 4 states. And also, too, folks, I want to point out another key fact. It's free.
Yep, free.
Yeah, that's hard to beat. Emily Larson, she's the Interim General Director for the Heartland Opera Theater. Emily, thank you so much for your time this morning. And I tell you what, everybody break a leg out there, okay?
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Emily. Have a great morning. We'll be back with more KOAM Morning News right after this.
When wind and